Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2008 Chevy Equinox. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your windshield wiper switch on the steering column. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. If you need parts for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1aauto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Remove the upper steering column cover by gently pulling up on it. It's easiest to lift from the openings for the multifunction switch and turn signal switch. Remove the three 7mm bolts on the bottom of the steering column. We'll do this with a 7mm socket, ratchet, and extension. With the bolts out, you can lower the bottom steering column cover. Now it does separate into two pieces, so if you have to pull it apart a little, that's fine. It would just snap back together if needed. To remove the wiper switch on the passenger side of the steering column, we'll use a plastic trim tool to pry up on these tabs. You can try to either push up on the tabs through the little square openings, or it might be easier to just reach over the top. Once you get it lifted up, you'll want to hold a little pressure on the switch to keep it from seating back in. Pop the top out as well. Slide your switch out of the opening. Pry up on the little plastic tab to release the electrical connector at the back. Reconnect the connector. Line it up into the housing and slide the switch in until it clicks. Now those little plastic legs can be a little sticky, so if they're not popping right back into place, you may just want to give them a little help back. Just kind of push back and pry up on them until they snap in and secure your switch. Reinstall the bottom portion of the steering column cover. Gotta find just the right way to seat it in. Again, this column cover does split, so you may find it easier to split it in half. Line up the little hooks on the bottom of the cover. So once you've snapped it back together and laid it back into place, you can reinstall your three 7mm screws. You might just want to go ahead and get each one of them started a couple of threads before you tighten them all down to make sure that everything is aligned properly. Once you have them lined up, you can tighten them down all the way. And these are just going into plastic, so you can see I'm just grabbing the head of the ratchet, just kind of tightening it with my fingers. There's no need to really crank these down. Now, it might be easier if you have a tilt column to pull down and put the column in its lowest position. We'll line up the top. Snap it back together. Set the column back to where you like it. And close the tilt switch.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.